in the Copenhagen interpretation, and it's claimed that reality was summoned into existence by the act of looking at it. At the heart of Einstein's argument was an aspect of quantum mechanics called entanglement. Now, entanglement is this special, incredibly close relationship between a pair of quantum particles whose fates are intertwined. For example, if they were created in the same event. Let me try and explain this by imagining the two particles are spinning coins. Imagine these coins are two electrons, created from the same event and then moved apart from each other. Quantum mechanics says that because they're created together, they're entangled. And now many of their properties are forever linked, wherever they are. Remember, the Copenhagen interpretation says that until you measure one of the coins, neither of them is heads or tails. In fact, heads and tails don't even exist. And here's where entanglement makes this weird situation even weirder. When we stop the first coin and it becomes heads, because the coins are linked through entanglement, the second coin will simultaneously become tails. And here's the crucial thing. I can't predict what the outcome of my measurement will be, only that they will always be opposite. Einstein seized on this because it meant that something was happening between the two coins that was almost too crazy to imagine. It's as if the two coins are secretly communicating instantaneously across space and time, even if the first coin was on Earth and the other was on Pluto. Einstein refused to believe this instantaneous, faster-than-light communication. His theory of relativity said that nothing could travel that fast, not even information. So how could one coin instantaneously know how the other would land? He disparagingly called it spooky action at a distance and claimed it was a fatal flaw in the Copenhagen interpretation. What's more, he had a better idea. Einstein believed there was a simpler interpretation, that somehow the destiny of the two coins, whether or not they ended up heads or tails, was already fixed long before we observed them. He said that although it seemed the coin was deciding to be, say, heads at the moment of observation, actually that decision was taken long before. It was just hidden from us. In Einstein's mind, quantum particles were nothing like spinning coins. They were more like, say, a pair of gloves, left and right, separated into boxes. We don't know which box contains which glove until we open one. But when we do, and find, say, a right-handed glove, then immediately we know that the other box contains the left-handed glove. But crucially, this requires no spooky action at a distance. Neither glove has been altered by the act of observation. Both of them were either left or right-handed glove from the beginning, and the only thing that has changed is our knowledge. So, which is the true description of reality? Bohr's coins, which only become real when we look at them, and then magically communicate to each other? Or Einstein